MTL by Eaton delivers industry-leading field bus wiring and power systems. As a longtime partner, FLW brings deep expertise and regional support to every solution. MTL's F800 series delivers modular, redundant power supplies, engineered to ensure continuous operation and protect uptime critical field bus networks. From Megablock hubs to intrinsically safe barriers, MTL wiring components simplify installation while maximizing reliability in harsh conditions. MTL's IS solutions protect equipment and personnel in explosive areas, while advanced surge protection safeguards critical instrumentation. MTL offers hardened Ethernet switches and wireless gateways to support industrial communication in the most demanding settings. MTL products support essential industries, from oil and gas and water treatment to pharma and energy, with solutions tailored for high-risk, high-performance sites. FLW's product specialists are here to help you select the right MTL solution, backed by local expertise and personalized support.